Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre this Sunday. Following the wet and stormy conditions from yesterday over the northeastern part, we're looking at some of the tweets of the past 24 hours. This picture was taken at Zebedila, which is close to Leboa-Khomu in the Limpopo province and just to the southeast of Polokwane. Tabazimbi also got a good lashing with thunderstorms that also caused very strong winds that uprooted some trees, and more than 50 millimeters was reported. Meanwhile, we're looking at a picture of a funnel cloud which looks like a tornado, but it's called a funnel cloud because it didn't reach the ground, and this picture was taken yesterday at Balmoral between Pretoria and eMalahleni. This morning, the stormy weather cleared over the northeastern parts of South Africa in the early morning hours. No further rain is expected over the western Bushveld and Gauteng, but a weak front made landfall along the south coast of the Western Cape, and as it moves eastwards, we're expecting rain for the coastline and the adjacent interior. There's a 60% chance of thunder showers this evening over the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. These storms will also reach the coastline, and during the evening hours, it will approach Swaziland and the southern Lowveld. We're expecting cloudy conditions tonight over the eastern parts, but it's going to remain clear and very windy along the west coast of South Africa. As the high pressure system ridges in over the eastern parts of the country, a lot of low cloud will push in. We're expecting drizzle tomorrow morning against the eastern escarpment, and some cloud can also reach Gauteng from the east. It will stay clear and dry over the western parts with even higher daytime temperatures, but it becomes stormy tomorrow in the Free State, Gauteng and northwest. This afternoon's wind speeds remain light over the eastern interior, but we're expecting fresh southwesterlies along the eastern Cape coastline with a strong southerly to southeasterly wind in Cape Town. Daytime temperatures reaching the low 30s over the western parts, 34 degrees in Vredendal but 24 in Cape Town. It's still cool along the eastern Cape coastline with maximums in the low 20s, and a much warmer day in Gauteng with a high of 27 degrees in Pretoria. Tomorrow morning starts off cold over the southern interior with a low of 8 degrees in Bishu and 4 in Sutherland. Otherwise 16s for Durban and Richards Bay. In Pretoria we're expecting a low of 16 as well, and it will be a warm start to the morning in the extreme western part. Monday afternoon, stormy conditions return to the Free State, Gauteng and northwest, while it remains cloudy and wet with cooler weather in KZN and Mpumalanga. By Tuesday, the weather starts to clear in the far east and it stays warm in the western and northern Cape. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your afternoon.